Hey guys, welcome to the magical world of book words. My name is Renuka and today is going to be a dedicated book review video. But before I start talking about that book, I really want to apologize for the background noises. I think there are a few people who don't believe that Sunday is a holiday, and I don't know why do they think that Sunday afternoon is the ideal time to carry on with your renovation work. I don't know. With that being said, let us go to the book that I want to talk about today. The book that I want to talk about today is extremely famous and for the right reasons. The book is The Kite Runner by Khaled Hosseini, an extremely beautiful story, and it is one of my most favorite books now. This is a recent read, but it instantly became one of my most favorites. Now, the story starts in the early 1970s in Afghanistan. This is the story of Amir and Hassan, two kids and best of friends. Amir is the son of an extremely rich man and Hassan is his servant's son. They share a very beautiful bond of friendship. Hassan is extremely dedicated to Amir and sometimes this dedication scares Amir off. That is how dedicated Hassan is towards Amir. Amir has lost his mother in his early childhood, very unfortunately. His father is the only parent he has, and Amir thinks that he does not get the love from his father that he deserves. Though his father provides him with everything and loves Amir a lot, Amir thinks that something is missing, something is lacking in the relationship between himself and his father. And he thinks that his father gives more attention to Hassan in spite of Amir being his own son. Now there is a kite running competition soon to be held in their city, in their town, whatsoever it is. And Amir desperately wants to win this competition since he thinks that winning that competition will help him win the love of his father that he is craving for and he desperately wants. And Hassan is ready to go to any limits, cross any limits, sacrifice anything for his master, his Amir Aga. And things turn ugly after this kite running competition where an extremely unfortunate, unexpected incident happens to Hassan actually, and this shakes the foundation of the lives of both these kids as well as their friendship. Though Hassan's dedication stands just unchanged, but it changes the life of both of these kids. I cannot tell you what that incident is since it will be a spoiler, but if you have read this book already, you know what I'm talking about. Though this video is spoiler free, I am soon going to come up with another video where I'll be discussing the plot of this book in detail, the characters and everything in detail. Why? You can see that I'm not able to discuss everything in detail since I don't want to give away a spoiler, but that video will be full of spoilers and I'll be talking about a lot of things from this book, but I'll alert you guys about it in the title itself so I don't spoil the reading experience of my viewers and my dear readers. But I'm definitely going to make that video, and if you have already read this book, then I don't think that there is any problem in watching that video. This book deals with a lot of things at a time. There are a lot of themes. The theme of friendship, of course, the theme of class discrimination, the theme of terrorism, the theme of dedication. So, all in all, this book is an emotional roller coaster, and you'll come to know about it once you complete reading this book. The characters in this book are very well developed, and you actually get an insight into the mind of those characters. You can see them in front of you. Khaled Hosseini has a very, very beautiful writing style. It is not as complex, even though it is a bit flowery, and you can actually feel those characters. Hassan just captivates your heart. He has captivated my heart already. He is brave, he is courageous, he is not intimidated by the problems, by the hurdles. He has to face a lot of problems, and still he is so dedicated towards his friend. Amir, on the other hand, lacks that courage. He lacks that bravery. He is not as responsible since he is rich, he is protected. He lacks that bravery. That is what I can say about the characters. If I start talking a lot, then that will be a spoiler. But I think that the characters are very well developed, and that is one of the biggest plus points of The Kite Runner. Let us come to my interpretation and my opinions about this book. As I have told you, I love this book a lot, and there are a few things that I learned from this book. Now, what are those things? The first thing is the thing that I learned from Hassan, and that is love with all your heart. If you love someone or something, love with all your heart. You can give your 100% through that love. So love with all your heart. The second thing is the thing that I love from Amir, though he did not do that, but the thing that I learned is what he should have done. Acknowledge that love, accept the love wholeheartedly. If somebody loves you so dedicatedly and so purely, you should have a heart big enough to accept and acknowledge that love. That's all. The third thing that I loved is again from Hassan. You have to be brave. You have to be courageous, and if you're brave, if you're courageous enough, then nothing can scare you off. He was a kid. He was a kid and he belonged to a tortured class of the society. Even though he possessed a lot of courage, maybe he got that courage out of that dedication that he had towards his master, that the dedication that he had towards Amir. I don't know, but any which ways, he had the courage. He was extremely brave. He was brave enough to take on the things. And you have to be brave if you want to survive in the society. And that is the reason he was happy, he was satisfied throughout his life, because he was brave. And the fourth thing that I learned is again from Amir. Sometimes you have to become brave. If you don't possess that bravery, if you don't have that inborn quality, you have to acquire it. You have to be you have to be brave. You have to become courageous. You have to stand up for things. Sometimes you have to stand up and you have to take up the responsibility. No matter how protected you are, no matter how much you lack that courage, sometimes you have to acquire it. Sometimes you have to stand up. Sometimes you have to set off to take up the responsibilities, and that is what Amir did. After a few years, after some time, though after a lot of time, though it was a bit late, he realized his responsibility. He set off to take up that responsibility and to fulfill his responsibility. So that is the fourth thing that I learned from this book, that sometimes you have to fulfill the responsibilities. Sometimes you have to take up the responsibilities in spite of or despite of having something or not having something. You have to. All in all, this book, again, as I said, is an emotional roller coaster. It will take you through so many emotions. I have heard people saying that they literally cried while reading this book. I did not actually cry since I'm not as emotional, but yes, I felt a long lasting impact on my heart of the events that took place in this book, and I'm still not able to forget those events. That is how impactful these events are. You have so many things to learn from this book, so many things to acquire, so many things to realize. Before I end this video, I just want to say one or two important things. When you're reading this book, just try to be a bit sympathetic and a bit empathetic about the characters. That will help you feel the emotions of those characters even more powerfully. I know that it cannot be done on purpose, it has to be natural, but we can be sympathetic if we try to be, and that is what I did. And the second thing that I want to tell you is that if you are underage, if you are not 18 as yet, there are a few events in this book that can disturb you a bit. So if you're not 18, I'll advise you that do not pick this book up hastily. Wait until you're 18 and then pick it up. And if you are reading it, make sure that you keep your sanity. Why am I saying this is because when you're in your teenage or adolescence, there are a few things that can be triggering for you. And I don't want that to happen. So yeah, that's my video for today. Please let me know down in the comment section if you have read The Kite Runner. What is your opinion? Is it your favorite book or not? Why not? Please let me know. And if you like the video, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel and help me grow the channel and spread a lot of bookish love. That's it. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much and bye bye.